In this video, we will show you how to wipe the cache partition of your Samsung Galaxy A23. Doing so will fix many firmware issues or app problems that occur every now and then. It's safe and easy to do so you don't have to worry about your data. So if you're ready, follow these steps to delete the contents of the cache partition. To begin, turn your phone off. You can pull down the quick settings panel and tap the power icon or use the physical buttons instead. Make sure to wait for the slight vibration, which is a sign that the phone has completely powered down. Wait for a few seconds and then press and hold the volume up button and the power key together for a few seconds. Once the Samsung logo appears, release both keys and allow your phone to continue booting up until it reaches the recovery mode. You will know if your phone is in recovery mode when you see yellow and blue text over a black background. While in the recovery screen, press the volume down button a few times until the option Wipe Cache Partition is highlighted. Press the power key to select it. After that, highlight Yes, and then press the power key again to wipe the cache partition. It will only take a couple of seconds before the cache partition's contents are deleted, and you will be brought back to the previous screen. At this point, you just need to restart your phone so that it will rebuild a new set of cache. So press the power key to select Reboot System now. It might take a little longer for your phone to finish rebooting, but once it's done, you can continue using it. And that's how you wipe the cache partition on your Galaxy A23. We hope that this tutorial can help you one way or another. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.